Oh, what is that? Oh my god.
Oh no, we're going up here.
We're gonna die. I can see we're on a train driven by a lawnmower. Oh my god, this is so cool.
What if we did die in a lawnmower?
Let's go kiss each other under the... Oh, it's waving! Not really, but... Hey.
I want to go under that.
Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god, we're gonna die. Thomas the Tank Engine Christmas version, guys, right there.
Oh, I love him.
Oh yes, this is so cool. Oh yeah, guys, where are we going?
There's the other train.
What is it? Holy crap. It's raining! Protect the phone! Buddy! Hey, Katie! What are we going? As we're going in a tunnel! We're in a tunnel! We're in a tunnel! Where are we going?
I touched it.
I can't reach! I touched the roof, actually. Oh yeah, guys. Oh, what is here? This would be a cool place to live, actually. Oh, whoa, my god, look at that. That is so cool. Hi. Oh, they're so cute. We would definitely film the back seat right there.
Yes.
Oh yeah, there we go. That's what we're riding on, actually. Ah! It fell over!
Santa died.
No, Santa! Santa's dead. We just got shot at. It's kind of like it was kind of raining, but it's like, ooh, where are we going? This is so fun. I love it so much. Oh my god, that is so cool. Oh my god! That is the best thing ever. Hey Chloe, how's it going? It's a bit close up there. I think I'm going to fall off this. I think we're too heavy or something. I don't know. Oh! This is so cool. It's so cute.
Look at the little ladder.
Oh, what is that? Oh, look at this. Going down the hill, guys. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god. This is actually so cool. I'm going to record that. They're dancing. Oh, we're gonna die. This is the best thing in the world. Unclip it. Oh, it's the end of the ride. Aww.